In this guide, I'll show you how to recover your lost account in FC. If you've lost your FC mobile account despite using or being logged into through Google Play or Facebook, don't worry. Follow these steps to recover your account. If you've linked your account to either Google Play or Facebook, then you should just be able to sign in to one of those and get your account back that way. Otherwise, if you still have the user ID of the deleted account, you can try reaching out to their live support, and here's how to do it to recover your old data. Visit the EA Help website and navigate to the live chat support option. Alternatively, use the in-game customer service option for the settings menu. Share your account details such as gems, any screenshots, or your unique UID. You can also reach out to the developers through their official social media accounts for additional support. Just be ready to provide as much information as possible to verify your account ownership, and keep screenshots and account details handy for quicker verification. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.